Yep, go ahead.
It's bigger.
It's bigger?
Yeah.
Sissy, pulling on my shirt. Pull it up. Show us what it does. Oh, it's a snowman. Rapping rodents. We'll have to save these for when Uncle Travis and Aunt Jennifer have kids, huh?
Okay, let Addison open her present.
Aren't you excited about yours? It looks goofy. You tell Uncle Travis and Aunt Jennifer thank you?